Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Tonight, we're going to be building two hot-off-the-presses kits from BrickCraft. We've got Stewie on his trike here, and we've got Bender from Futurama. Alright, let's take a look inside Bender here. Let's see what's the best way to get in this thing. Okay, so, we definitely have numbered bags, and they are, as usual, Lego-sized bricks, but they are not Lego bricks themselves. We generally, though, are pleased by BrickCraft's brickitude. The bricks generally go together quite well and stay that way. Here is a manual, of course. And looks like Bender's stomach opens there too, just like usual, where he's got stuff stuck in there. And yeah, so the instructions look easy enough to follow from there. Let's go to a couple of... Oh, we got... an instruction page, I think, just give you a little extra how to do this and how to do that. Alright, okay. We got the list of bricks in the back here, so you can tell, you know, if there's one missing. Okay, and then it did give dimensions for Bender. Let's see, where was it at? I saw there. I thought I did anyway. Ah, here we go. Yeah, so 13.4 inches or 34 centimeters tall, so he's not short. It's not a small guy. Alright, we'll get building him right away. I just wanted to show you a couple things here. One of these very pretty metallic red bricks that they did. They're gorgeous. And then two, we got these fun things from Futurama Universe. We got Slurm, and we got the robot oil, Mom's old-fashioned robot oil. So two fun little things. And we've got Old Fortran malt liquor. Looks like a very good bottle. Okay, Bender's all done. He was so much fun to build. Pretty quick. He's only around 500 pieces if I remember. Oh, 396, my bad. 296 pieces. He's got his lovely gold chain here in a nice shape of a gold bee. And inside, we've got all the goodies here. We've got some Grandma's, Mom's old-fashioned robot oil. We've got Old Fortran. And last but not least, Slurm. He has a nice little stand there for him, and it's got his name plaque there. There we go. Whoa, whoa. He's totally, whoa. They did a good job. They gave him this little top spike there. The teeth are beautiful, and the eyes as well. On the base, they went with this really racy red metallic paint there on those bricks. It looks really good. Yeah, he is posable. You know, certainly his stability is going to be better or less depending on how you pose him. But yeah, his arms do move how you might want them. Well, you can see he can hold the bottle in his hand. It's a little bit tricky to get it in there, but yeah, we got it in. It looks pretty good. Yeah, so this was a great BrickCraft build. We've come to love a lot of BrickCraft stuff. I don't know if you saw our, during the wintertime, we did a bunch of Grinch themed and Rudolph the Reindeer themed builds by BrickCraft that were just beautiful. And yeah, so we have grown to definitely love them. They're usually very affordable, and the builds are great. They go together well. They usually stay together well. So I definitely will recommend it. Thank you. I hope this video helped you decide whether you want to make your own Bender robot from Futurama. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. We need you dearly. And please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. Yeah, that $3 a month can help you decide what to love make next. Hopefully it's Bender. Yay! I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.